Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, today presenting this used Ford Focus 1.5 EcoBlue Titanium X. Finished in elegant silver and powered by 1.5 liter diesel engine delivering 120 PS and paired with smooth automatic transmission, this Focus offers refined and highly economical driving experience. At the front you'll notice sleek halogen headlights with integrated LED daytime running lights offering excellent visibility in any conditions, and the 17-inch alloy wheels finished in luster nickel not only elevate its curb appeal but also offer great balance between driving comfort and agile handling. At the back you will spot subtle privacy glass giving passengers a bit more shade and discretion, and LED rear lights. The boot offers ample space for everyday needs, whether it's the weekly shop or luggage for a weekend trip. The split folding rear seats make it a breeze to expand the space for bulkier items. In the back, passengers are treated to comfort and convenience thanks to supportive seats, ISOFIX points for child seats, and a fold-down center armrest with cup holders. Up front, the sport-style seats offer excellent support. The driver enjoys 6-way power adjustment with lumbar support, while the passenger benefits from manual height and lumbar adjustability. The interior feels upmarket with ambient lighting and well-structured center console. The leather-trimmed steering wheel is multifunctional, allowing control of audio, calls and cruise settings without taking your hands off the wheel. Behind it is 4.2-inch TFT instrument cluster screen. The dual-zone electronic climate control ensures both driver and passenger can set their perfect climate settings independently. And the infotainment system offers crisp DAB radio and media playback to offer soundtrack for your journeys. You also have phone and apps connectivity, allowing you to stay connected via FordPass Connect and Bluetooth for on-the-go control. Simple and accurate guidance from the navigation with live traffic updates is also an offer, as well as plenty of settings to personalize your drive with various car and media options, voice control and parking sensors feedback. This has been a presentation of the Ford Focus 1.5 EcoBlue Titanium X. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.